Let's make aloo tikki burger at home with very less oil. We need soaked pohe, boiled potatoes, chopped veggies, some basic spices, breadcrumbs, and maida corn flour paste. In 1 spoon oil and 1 spoon butter, saute garlic, add chopped onion, chopped carrot, chopped beans, saute properly until they get soft. Now we are adding jeera powder, chaat masala, red chilli powder, haldi, salt and little bit garam masala. Then mix soaked pohe without water. Add boiled peas, boiled corn and boiled potatoes. On a plain polythene, apply oil and spread the batter. Wrap it like a chocolate and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour so that it gets combined together like a tikki. After 1 hour, cut it into the required shape. Dip it in maida corn flour paste and then breadcrumbs. We can store the tikkis without air frying for 10 days. Now air fry them on 185 degrees for 20 minutes. In between, we have to turn them to oil brush. Crispy, healthy, delicious tikki is ready with very less oil. In bun, take mayonnaise sauce, add lettuce, tikki, onion, tomato, cucumber or any veggie you need. Add cheese slice and mustard sauce. And the burger is ready.